Welcome back, tech fans. This week, we've seen Apple commit a staggering $600 billion to U.S. manufacturing, the launch of GPT-5, and much more. Stay tuned. Here are the top 5 tech stories of the week. Number 1. Apple's $600 billion American manufacturing push. Apple expanded its U.S. investment to $600 billion over 4 years, backed by the new American Manufacturing Program, AMP. AMP includes partnerships with companies like Broadcom, Corning, TSMC, Samsung, Texas Instruments, and more. Highlight: all iPhone and Apple Watch cover glass will be made in Kentucky. Chips and components are being localized across multiple states. Number 2. GPT-5 official unveiling. OpenAI livestreamed on August 7th, strongly hinting at the unveiling of GPT-5. GPT-5 promises improved efficiency, auto model selection, and smoother performance. It follows the launch of open-weight models like GPT-OSS 120B and GPT-OSS 20B. Users have already begun discussing both praise and criticism of the new release. Number 3. Google's Pixel 10 event set for August 20. Google confirmed its Made by Google event for August 20th, 2025 in New York, to be streamed live on YouTube. Expected reveals: Pixel 10 series, including a possible telephoto lens, new Tensor G5 chip, Pixel Watch 4, and Pixel Buds 2a. Additional insights: leaks have surfaced showing specs like 6.8 inches, Super Actua display, 16 GB RAM, redesigned charging for Watch 4, and more. Number 4. Microsoft's Xbox handheld console. Microsoft is rumored to unveil its first Xbox handheld console at Gamescom on August 20th, with a possible release date of October 16, 2025. The handheld is reportedly co-developed with Asus, akin to the Asus ROG Ally, and will offer gameplay demos at the event. Number 5. Google Pixel August update fixes critical security flaws. Google started rolling out the August 2025 Pixel update, build BP2A 250.805.005, addressing a serious Android 16 security exploit and navigation bugs. The update is available via OTA for Pixel devices from Pixel 6 to Pixel 9, including Pixel Tablet and Fold variants. That was your quick roundup of the biggest tech news this week: Apple's manufacturing overhaul, GPT-5, upcoming reveals from Google and Xbox, and a crucial Pixel update. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more weekly tech coverage.